Hello, my name's Taylor, and I am here to talk about the Youth Detention Center that I have made throughout the course of um, this semester. I chose to do a Youth Detention Center because I believe that deterring crime at a young age is what helps us determine, the crime rate in the future. So stopping it while our children are still young can really be a big help. Uh, So I live in Muskegon, Michigan, and I decided to put my youth detention center in New Era, Michigan, which is all farmland pretty much. It's a really small town, kind of by Rothbury, Michigan. There's not a lot going on. There's lots and lots of land, and I just thought that would be a nice remote location, but yet still in a rural area. Um, it would bring a lot of jobs to the community, and it's a low risk facility, like a minimum security, that it wouldn't really raise any concerns from the people in the community. When we talk about the security of my prison, there is obviously going to be, correction officers that help transport the minors from place to place inside of the facility. We're going to have security cameras in there. Each inmate will be frisk searched, and their cells will be searched. Their bunks will be searched. Pretty much the same type of security measures as you would a normal prison, a normal minimum security prison. Um, these kids are minors, they're not evil geniuses. I'm sure we're going to have some sort of kickback from them because kids are not easy. Um, and then the roles and responsibilities of the staff. So we're going to have front desk staff, people answering the phones, um, intake officers to do all the paperwork and the record keeping. We're going to have the kitchen staff that help the kids make their meals. Um, Correctional officers and probably one person that just kind of mans the whole station and does a lot of the billing and overseeing of the whole security um, systems and employees that work there. Um, what I think is really cool and an idea I had for this youth detention center was the fact that because it's in such a um, agricultural place, there's tons of land, and these kids are going to need something to do while they're there, a good hobby. I thought that gardening would be something that they would be able to do that would help them, teach them discipline and patience and learn about, more about themselves too. So a lot of our food and resources are going to come natural from the garden that these kids are going to, help uh, maintain over the course of their stay. Many other youth activities that we're going to have are obviously educational. I want these kids to be able to learn while they're here and not take away time from their schooling. Some kids are going to be missing 2 weeks, some might miss a few months. It really all depends on their progress and what they're capable of. And I don't want them to miss out in the real world just because of a few bad choices that they've made. I also would like to incorporate different hobbies for them and trades for them, arts and crafts, um, music, um, basketball, soccer, sports for them to play outside and keep them active, living a healthy lifestyle. I really think that these kids need a good outlet to uh, channel their frustrations and their angers in a positive way rather than obviously what got them here in the first place. We'll have some commissary items like playing cards to keep them busy, notepads for drawing or sketching. I really want this to be a positive place for these kids to really turn their lives around. The operations, we are going to try our best to, just keep really good track and maintain a positive workplace. The correction officers will have their superiors, same with the front desk staff, and I really think that this youth detention center could really brighten a lot of these kids' lives. Uh, I do think that there may be some kids that have a harder time and we'll have a separate facility for them. Um, some kids 15, 16 may already be using drugs, smoking cigarettes, drinking alcohol, and may need a separate location to really do better. And I just want them to have a safe spot to learn and regroup and really turn their life around. And I believe that I can help with that. Thank you.